Soil is a very important part of our planet. It forms the top layer of much of the Earth's land surface. Soil is incredibly important to organisms. Most plants use soil and its components as their primary source of water, minerals, and nutrients, which they need to photosynthesize. Photosynthesis produces oxygen that other organisms rely on for survival. It also provides plants with the energy they need to grow. And by growing and flourishing all around our planet, they provide energy for other organisms too. Soil doesn't just support plants. It's also home to other living things, including small animals, fungi, and microorganisms. And of course, soil plays a major role in agriculture and farming for people. Soil can be different in different places, but it generally has three main components: small rock particles, water, and spaces that can be filled with air. Some soils also contain humus, which is the remains of dead plants, animals, and other living things. This addition makes the soil richer and more beneficial for plant growth. To learn more about the different types of soil and the composition of each, check out our next video, where we'll use a magnifying glass and a digital microscope to take a closer look at different types of soil. You'll see a link to this video in the description below. Until then, thanks for learning, and I'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Soil is an interesting mix. It contains tiny rock pieces, air, water, and something special known as humus. Humus is a bit like compost. It comes from the remains of dead plants and animals, enriching the soil with nutrients needed by plants and tiny creatures living in the soil. But soil is not all the same. It has three main types of tiny rock particles: sand, silt, and clay. The amount of sand, silt, and clay in soil determines how much air and water the soil can hold. Let's talk about sand first. These are the largest particles. If soil has a lot of sand, water goes right through it, like it's rushing through a sieve. Silt particles are smaller than sand, but bigger than clay. In soil with lots of silt, there is less space for air, and it holds more water than sandy soil. Think of it like a sponge that soaks up and keeps water better than a sieve. Clay particles are the smallest of all. In soil with lots of clay, the tiny particles pack closely together, leaving little space for air. Water also drains slowly through clay-heavy soil, much like how water struggles to pass through thick dough. Understanding the types of soil helps us know where different plants will grow best.
Don't forget to subscribe.